Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Charlene Devilla, 29 years old, from Romblon, Philippines. I am single, but I have one son, 1-year-old baby boy. I am 152.5 centimeters and 47 kilograms. I am a high school graduate, and I am a Roman Catholic. My father is a fisherman. My mother is a housewife. I have 2 brothers and 2 sisters, and I am the youngest child. Ma'am and Sir, this is my first time to work in Hong Kong, but I have 3 years work experience here in the Philippines as a domestic helper. I serve 3 members of the family, including husband and wife and 2-year-old baby boy. My main duties and responsibilities is cleaning the house, ironing clothes, washing dishes, and do the laundry. My duties for a baby is taking a bath every day, feeding milk, preparing her nutritious foods, and play with her until he become a 5-year-old. Ma'am and Sir, please hire me because I am a hardworking woman, kind, loyal, and trustworthy. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to support my family needs and also for the future of my son. Thank you, Ma'am and Sir. God bless and see you there.